Hello guys, here is I have Revvl 4 Plus and this phone problem it's not charging. You can see I just plug in and charge, it doesn't show up charge. Let me, yeah, you can see there is no charging. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Let me turn off the phone first. Now you're gonna remove this SIM card. Now you're gonna remove this back cover with this tool. So you're gonna lift it up slowly. And there is some lock, we just have to unlock it. It's come out easily. This side you have to little be careful because this power button and volume button plugs you almost unlock all clip. We don't want to lift it up all the way, just slowly lifting up because there is fingerprint ribbon. Now you're gonna disconnect this fingerprint ribbon. Yeah, we disconnect this fingerprint ribbon and we don't need to open this because we just do it only charging port replacement. And you can see there's 3 screws different kind than other 4 screw, so you have to keep separate these 3 screw, and this 4 is different kind. You have to keep separate that 4 screw. Remove all the screw. Now you're gonna remove this speaker panel. This is the loudspeaker. Now you're gonna remove the charging port, remove this antenna line and disconnect the charging port connection. Now you're gonna lifting up the charging port. There is some glue under that, so just slowly lifting up. We remove the charging port, and there is 2 kind charging port on the market. One is with the logic board, one is only charging port. We're gonna replace this with the logic board one. It's easy to replace. We don't need to any soldering. Yeah, we just press it down in the charging port and connect the charging port connection, and we're gonna put it back antenna connection. Now we're gonna put it back speaker panel and press it down and put it back this 4 screw first. And then there is 3 screw. This all are still screw, but top 3 is different and bottom 4 is different. We do want to put it back cover. First we're gonna check phone is charging or not. Plug in on charge. Yeah, look like it's charging. Yes, it's charging. Now you're gonna put it back this back cover. First we're gonna connect this fingerprint connection. Yeah, just push in and then lock the fingerprint connection. And now you're gonna put it back this back cover from top side. Just press it down, check, make sure bar button and power button is clicking, and press it down all side. Put it back this SIM card tray. Turn on the phone. Now we have to check phone is charge going up or not. Sometime after fixed phone is not phone showing up the charge but charge not going up, so we're gonna wait 2 minutes. It's charging now, but we're gonna wait 2 minutes to see charge going up or not. Now it's 4%, so we're gonna check charge going up or not. After 2 minutes we check. Yeah, now charge going up. Now it's 6%, so phone is fixed and is easy to replace the charging port. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.